this is Jeff Eastman from North Canton Paranormal Detectives announcing our most technologically advanced piece of equipment that we have designed and developed to date. It is called the Para-REM. The R standing for basically REM Pod technology. It has the antenna, and I'll be demonstrating that for you. E standing for EMF detection. It has the ability to detect EMF just like a Paralight Plus in the Ultra mode setting. M standing for music. We have up to 9 songs to pick from. Okay, so let's open this up. It defaults in EMF mode along with the last sound selection you had, whether there was no sound at all, whether you have a tone like this, or in music mode. Okay, we're going to go back to no sound at all, and let's go into the REM Pod mode where I extended the antenna that collapses fully into it so that you don't have to worry about taking it out and setting it aside. One click of the R button located on top will put it into the REM Pod function. Okay, I'm going to step back. As you can see, the color bar on the top is lit. So I'm going to take my hand and get it near the antenna, and you can see the lights growing down. So let's go across and click the M for tones, so now you can hear it. Let's go back to the EMF mode by quickly pressing the E button. I'm back into EMF mode, and again my wand here. Now if you observe, the lights are coming from bottom up. The reason why I did that is that if you are in dual mode, that means both the REM Pod function and the EMF function are at the same time. So let's hold these 2 buttons down. It calibrates, and right now it's in dual mode. So again, if I take my EMF wand and I sneak it by it, you can see it lighting from bottom up. And again, if I take my hand, I'm coming top down. The reason why I did this was for when you are on an investigation and you get a hit. If you look back at the video, you'll be able to identify, yes, it came from top down. The hit came from top down. That was a REM Pod hit. No, the hit came from bottom up. That was an EMF hit. Alright? So let's put this down. So we are in EMF mode. I'm going to demonstrate to you the music function. Okay? So one click of the button gets you into music mode, and it remembers the last song it was playing. Let's trigger that one off. So if I hold the button down, I can get into another music selection choice. That was actually song number 7. Song number 8 is the green and yellow bar. And you'll be able to see what songs you are selecting, because on the side of the unit I have this color chart that has the names of the songs along with what color they are represented by. So the green and the yellow are Reveille, and let's accept that and play it. Okay, and if you want to select another song, you hold that down, you click for the selections. The green song is Take Me Out to the Ball Game. Hold your finger down on that till it accepts it, and then play. It will play 13 notes of that song. Once it's done, you tell the spirits, if you want to finish that song, please come up to the device and get near it, whether they are triggering it with EMF or just their presence near the antenna. Okay, so let's close this up. If for whatever reason the antenna gets damaged, you can unthread it, pull it out, put in a new one. It guides itself right into place. Turn it, it's down. Another thing is that the Para-REM, like my other devices, Paralight devices, runs on 3 AA batteries. So very common, you don't have anything special there. So if you'd like to know more about the Para-REM, please visit us at ncpdohio.com. And as always, have fun and be safe on your next paranormal investigation.